presenter is Neha.
Yes, sir. Am I audible? I will share my screen. It's visible? Am I audible?
Your voice is low. Yes.
Okay, now? Hello.
Yes, continue. Yeah.
Good morning, everybody. Today I would like to present about
Still, it is very low voice. Yeah.
good morning, everybody.
You have to speak a little bit louder. Yeah.
Okay, sir. Good morning, everybody. Today I would like to present about myths in the Westland. So first of all, I throw some light on a T.S. Eliot.
I think there is some problem with your microphone that you are using. It is not giving you full voice. Yeah. Can you remove that and use the by default one? Yeah.
Okay, now?
No, still it is very low. Yeah.
Okay, just a minute. Okay, now? Am I audible?
Yes, continue. Yeah, continue.
Okay. So first, we throw some light on T.S. Eliot. T.S. Eliot was T.S. Eliot full name was Thomas Stearns Eliot. He was born on 26 September 1888. He was died on 4 January 1965. He was poet, essayist, publisher, playwright, literary critic, and editor. He was the founder of the Criterion. He was most daring poet of 20th century. Ellis poem loosely follows the legend of the Holy Grail and the Fisher King, combined with the vignettes of contemporary British society. He used literary and cultural allusions. By this poem, Eliot won an international reputation. Uh, so, what is the myth? A myth is one story in a mythology, a system of hereditary stories of ancient origin, which were once believed to be true by a particular cultural group, and which serve to explain why the world is as it and things happen as they do, to provide a rationale for social customs and observance, and to establish the selections for the rules by which people conduct their lives. So next, T.S. Eliot used these 8 myths in the Westland. First is the Sibyl. Sibyl. Sibyl was the most famous of the Sibyl, the prophetic old woman of Greek mythology. She guided Aeneas through heads in the Aeneid. She had been granted immortality by Apollo, but because she forgot to ask for perpetual youth, she shrank into withered old age and her authority declined. Sibyl, a woman with prophetic powers who ages but never dies, looks at the future and proclaims that she only wants to die. The Sibyl's predicament mirror what Eliot sees is his own. He lives in a culture that has decayed and withered but will not expire, and he is forced to live with reminder of its former glory. Next is vegetation. The myth of vegetation is a particularly based on the cycle of seasons. Poem begins with the line that April is the cruelest month. Predict. So in this poem, winter in this myth, winter represent death. April represent rebirth, and rain represent life. This recurrent parent has been taken over in the Christian myth in birth, frustrations, and resurrection of Christ. Uh, Next myth is Holy Grail. The Holy Grail legend is associated with King Arthur and his Knight of the Round Table. The Holy was used by Christ for his last supper. In that cup, the blood of the Savior was gathered when he was crucified. Grail was originally connected with the fertility myth as it witnessed by its sexual symbol, but later on its efforts it changes through its association with Christ. The Westland mainly throw light on the disillusionment and spiritual dryness of the past for generation. Next is Tiresias. Tiresias is the son of Shepherd. 7 year blind transfer into woman by Hera. Tiresias, a figure from classical mythology, who was both male and female features, and is blind but can see into the future. Tiresias is represented as a bisexual in the Westland, as he was blind, but he has the gift of prophecy and immorality. Next is Tristan and Isolde. They are both two lovers. Tristan, nephew of King Mark Cromwell, and he is a symbol of honest, virtue, brave, and strong. The King of Ireland sent a champion named Morfolor, demand tribute from Cromwell. Isolated Hela Tristan, and he returned, and in front of King Mark, he prays to King, resolved to marry her. Next is the Fisher King, the medieval wasteland of the Fisher King of myth, which is closely related with the Grail legend. In this wasteland soldier or Fisher, King Fisher ravished the nun of chapels. Prelius said contained the Holy Grail, and because of that, king became important and his land suffered from famine. The importance of the Fisher King was reflected sympathetically in the land of which he was the head and ruler. It has become dry and barren, haunt of home, gone to famine one day, the night of the pure soul and came and soul riddle. Next is Philomela and Procline. They are both two sisters. Tiresias is the husband of Procline, and he seduced Philomela and cut out her tongue to silence her. Uh, Tiresias tried to kill them, but God changed into bird. It is his son served fresh to her husband. Philomela embroidered a story into cloth, and which is sent to her sister. Next is Phlebas. The character Phlebas, the Phoenician sailor who dies by drowning, symbolize the chance of renewal in the wasteland. Phlebas is an example of a lack of spirituality, self-ego, and what becomes of those who waste themselves. So, last in a conclusion, in short, this poem, the Westland, is an extremely rich poem, and it is numerous understanding. So we once in a file find such an instrument of images aside from in a T.S. Eliot's Westland. Thusly, this lyric can be explained from different perspectives, but it is difficult to comprehend on the grounds that so many topics needs and philosophical significance compromise in this lyric. Here are my references. Thank you.
Okay, you can stop presenting the screen. One thing you need to check this audio, check your audio. So do some rehearsal and check that it is very low voice. Why it is very low? There is some sound problem either with your device. Don't know whether it is earphone or wherever it is. So that you have to see. Second, you prepared good slides. Slides were very well prepared. There was an image, there was a text, and this also bulleted text. There is very interesting thing that I have noticed is that what should be the font size? Font size when you prepare your slides. Earlier, we used to tell that there should not be more than 7 sentences or 5 sentences. Each and every word should be of sentence should be of 5, or like rule of 7 was there. Now we get another idea is that if you keep your mobile standing and if you are able to read the text, then it is a good font. So the screenshot that I have taken from your presentation, in that I can read the Fisher King. The others I cannot read. So the font size of the Fisher King is appropriate. The other font size is a little bit smaller, So that way now we can think of that which font size should be appropriate when you are making online presentations or even in any another form also. So that way you can plan that a little bit larger, if not as large as the Fisher King, but at least somewhere in between the actual font size that are used and the Fisher King. Then the size can be little bit larger also. So that you can think of when you make this. Let me stop sharing here. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So that is all. All of you can think of that when you